Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be giving you guys our porch decor tour. If you missed the video where I actually showed you how we refinished the porch, I will link that down in the description box below so you can check that out after this video and see really what the porch looked like before and then all the work we did to kind of get it out of winter season and bring it back to clean and pretty for spring. Now in today's video, I'm going to do a decorate with me so you can see sort of the little details that I'm going to do to bring life to the porch. I really love adding all of those little details because that's what really makes a house a home. It also is going to give our home really beautiful curb appeal, and it's also very welcoming to our friends and family. And I'm really excited to bring you guys along, so let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing I did was put our old cushions through the washing machine and let them air dry. And I decided to reuse them and just re-slip cover them. So these pillow covers are in my Amazon favorite store, and I will link that down in the description box below if you're interested in these for your own home too. I actually have these on my couch, so they're for inside, but all I did was use some Scotchgard to spray onto the cushions, and that will weatherize them and give them a little more protection for when they're outside in the elements. I did the same thing with the cushions for the chairs. These are from last year. I just washed them and then added our new pillows. The side table got a new placemat and this beautiful glass terrarium. I really wanted a topiary to go inside of it, but I couldn't find one that was the right size. So with some accessories from Hobby Lobby, like this little vase or planter, I hot glued their smallest faux boxwood orb inside to keep it in place and used that to put inside the terrarium. I just lined the bottom with some rocks from the Dollar Tree, and not only did this add weight to the bottom of this to make sure it stayed on our porch and didn't fly away, it also added some nice texture to the piece as well. This black and white striped rug is from West Elm, and we also Scotch guarded this to make sure it would be waterproof being outside. So I layered this on the bottom in front of the front door and then added a really cute Hello Sunshine doormat, which is also from Hobby Lobby. Then it was time to accessorize the sides of the door. This is an old antique enamel bucket that I had on hand, and it just happened to be the right size for this spiral boxwood topiary that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then on the other side, this was a thrift store find for only $5. It's a ceramic stool, and it was actually gold and worked perfectly for this. Then I added my handmade wood sign, and then on top of this I put another handmade topiary. So this was the same idea as the miniature one. These are both from Hobby Lobby again, and I did the same thing. I just hot glued their medium-sized orb into a Hobby Lobby planter. I did end up adding some sticky tack to the underside of this planter to hold it in place just in case it got bumped on the porch. Next, of course, I wanted something that would be beautiful on our front door, so I stayed with the faux boxwood theme. I found this ribbon and wreath, both at Hobby Lobby, and the ribbon really mimics the rug underneath, so it all sort of really ties together with the print and the boxwood. I ended up just hot gluing the bow to the bottom of the wreath. I wanted it to look like the wreath was hanging, so I tried that first, but I ended up nixing that idea because it just didn't look right with the window that is above on the top of the door. So just placing and gluing the bow, the simple bow, to the bottom of the wreath was just the right touch I needed. I love how all of the boxwood really gives the porch life and color, and the addition of the buffalo check print and the black and white stripes really gives the porch lots of added character. And now I want to give you a look back to the very beginning before we did any of the work. It was after winter time, so it needed a good cleaning, it needed a lot of love, and it needed a lot of elbow grease to bring it back to life. So we stripped down all of the wood on the front porch and refinished it. We gave everything a nice fresh coat of white paint. We cut down the lattice and reinstalled it and painted it. And then all of the added accessories just really brought everything together. I hope you enjoy our front porch makeover tour. If you aren't already, you can follow me over on my social media pages, both on Facebook and on Instagram, and get behind the scenes and projects that I don't necessarily show off here on YouTube. And I'll have those both linked down in the description box below. We couldn't be happier with the way all of this turned out. All of our hard work was definitely worth all of the effort. We now have a beautiful space that we can sit out and enjoy. I hope that this tutorial inspired you. Make sure to take a second and give it a thumbs up for me. You can also hit that subscribe button and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as I bring you new DIYs, new tutorials, and new inspiration. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.